Did you know the DNA in your body stretched end to end would reach the sun and back about 100 times?
Inside every cell lies a code that controls your body, how you grow, heal, and function every moment. This code is DNA, a long molecular blueprint containing the instructions for building life's essential molecules. But DNA doesn't build your body directly. It stores information used to produce proteins. Proteins control nearly everything: structure, movement, chemical reactions, and communication between cells. The process of using DNA instructions to make proteins is called gene expression. A gene is a specific section of DNA that contains instructions for one protein.
These instructions are written using 4 chemical letters: A, T, C, and G.
The order of these letters determines the exact structure and function of each protein. But there's a problem. DNA stays safely inside the nucleus.
To build proteins outside, the cell needs a messenger.
The first step of gene expression is transcription, copying DNA instructions into messenger RNA. An enzyme called RNA polymerase reads the gene and builds a matching RNA copy. RNA uses a slightly different code, replacing the letter T with U. Once complete, the messenger RNA leaves the nucleus and enters the cytoplasm. The second step is translation, building a protein using the RNA instructions. Ribosomes read the RNA 3 letters at a time. Each group is called a codon. Each codon specifies one amino acid, the building block of proteins.
Transfer RNA molecules bring the correct amino acids to the ribosome.
The ribosome links amino acids together into a growing protein chain. When the sequence is complete, the chain folds into its final functional shape. A protein's shape determines its function. Even small changes can affect how it works. Some proteins act as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions inside cells. The enzyme binds to the substrate, forming a complex. The substrate is then transformed into a product and released. Others form structures like muscle fibers, skin, and cell membranes. Many proteins also act as signals, allowing cells to communicate. Not all genes are active all the time. Cells turn genes on or off as needed. This regulation allows different cell types to perform specialized functions. For example, muscle cells activate genes for movement, while nerve cells activate communication genes. If a DNA sequence changes, the protein instructions may also change. Some mutations have no effect, while others disrupt protein function. Certain genetic mutations can lead to inherited diseases. For example, a defective protein can disrupt normal cellular function, damaging organelles and leading to disease. Every trait in your body depends on proteins built through gene expression. Even your immune system relies on specialized proteins to recognize threats. Hormones like insulin are also proteins that control vital body processes. Scientists can now modify gene expression to produce useful proteins. This technology is used to manufacture medicines like insulin and vaccines. Gene therapy aims to fix faulty genes by restoring proper protein production. This process delivers corrected DNA into cells, enabling them to produce functional protein. This visualization shows how molecular mechanisms can correct genetic disorders. Every second, millions of proteins are being built inside your body. This invisible process powers growth, movement, thinking, and survival. Gene expression connects your DNA to every action your body performs.
Life depends on this constant flow of information from genes to proteins.
Please help us grow this channel by liking the video, comment on the comment section, subscribe, and as well as sharing this video to others to see. Thank you.